How long does it take to get a personal injury settlement check? Robert Gluck often gets asked the question, how long does it take to get a personal injury settlement check? Because every personal injury claim is different and no two circumstances are ever alike, it is almost impossible to answer this question at the start of any case. These matters take time, and the amount of time it takes from the start of your case to having your check in hand differs greatly from case to case. Until your lawyer can adequately calculate your losses, and those injured have fully recovered or can prove what their future or lifelong medical care needs are, your lawyer will be unable to send a demand letter to the insurance company or at-fault party. A demand letter is essentially a written statement in which you describe what your specific demands for compensation are. Once the demand letter is sent, the liable party is alerted that the injured victim is seeking compensation. Settlement negotiations usually commence. Your lawyer should discuss all offers with you and give you advice and recommendations for moving forward. If a fair settlement is not reached, your lawyer will file a lawsuit and begin the process of litigation. Before you receive any compensation following an injury, you must agree to the terms of a settlement offer from the at-fault party, usually an insurance company. Your lawyer is a critical part of this process because they will advise you on whether the terms are reasonable and the offer is acceptable. If your personal injury lawyer is unable to negotiate a fair settlement with the insurance company, the next step would be to file an official complaint. The defendant is required to respond to the complaint within a certain time frame. For some of the more straightforward personal injury cases, after you have accepted a settlement offer from the insurance company, it usually takes between 2 to 6 weeks to receive your settlement check. Once both parties have agreed on a settlement offer, the injured party will have to sign a legal document called a general release, which resolves all claims you have against the other party and releases the insurance company from liability from the same accident. Your lawyer will then send the release to whoever is representing the other party involved in the accident, and a check is released. You should never be made to feel rushed into accepting a settlement offer. You should always consult with an experienced personal injury lawyer who will be committed to walking you through this stressful process and assisting you with receiving the maximum amount of compensation. Robert Gluck has been advocating for his clients for 33 years and has a proven track record for helping people regain their lives back. His dedicated staff will work diligently on your case and attempt to expedite your personal injury settlement process to get you a check as soon as possible. Contact Robert Gluck today for a free case evaluation.